Look at that speedboat. Oh, looks like it's running right into that island, but it's not. Hey everybody, Baron and Brent Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate. Oh, water views right there in the ocean. We are here in 3/4 of an acre of Crown Sea land in Sonasali, right off of this beautiful property that we have here. Owner is unable to get back here to Fiji, so not able to finish it out. So walk with me. I'm going to show you this incredible opportunity to be so close to the water here. Also, the Doubletree Sonasali Resort is just down the road there. And you see we have you have a guardhouse here, another generator room, and a big storage area here for a lot of the supplies, and all this huge open grass area if you want to build out a swimming pool or maybe some additional units. Really let your mind wander, and let's go take a look. Really nice and breezy here today. This is a finished studio unit that he has been using for Airbnb, short-term rentals. Really nice. You can see the quality here. Great tile work, and he has this all finished out, renting very, very well online for short-term rentals. All nice little kitchenette here. Microwave with the kettle and the sink. Even has a little safe out there. Beautiful tile work. Nice open shower, double sinks. Excellent place here. And you have a whole back area here. You have actually, this door will go out to a back deck. And the nice thing is this is all finished, ready to go. You can produce some income or come here and enjoy this for yourself. And there are other studio units just like this that were still partially built. You have one of those here and one of those here. So great income potential. If you're looking for shorter long-term rentals, you can do 1, 2, 3 here, or these can be extra rooms for family members or friends that want to visit you. And the way the owner designed this is you can see some of the shutters still up here, and you can check the photos out. We've taken photos of all of the interior spaces here. You can see the openness right now, and this was going to be sort of a communal kitchen area for a lot of those 3 studio units here. Then all of this is the master suite with an upstairs nice master bedroom and ensuite upstairs as well. So walk with me. I'm going to show you. You can see it's not even completely finished, but a lot of the heavy lifting has been done. And as you're watching this video, you know that the cost of inflation has gone up. Goods and materials and shipping have all gone very, very high right now. So a lot of these things with these imported materials and design is everything's been done for you. So it's just a matter of now finishing out these final details. And that's something that if you're ready to do, you can make it your own. The main doorway is here. You have all this big entryway here, another room off to the right, and you have one here to the left. Huge rooms. So these could be bedrooms, and here's shower and toilet area. Nice mirror, custom sinks, a lot of imported materials and light fixtures you see here. All the sliders that are going to go out, those are going to all open up, and you're going to have those nice sea views there. The shutters are still on those as well. And this is where the kitchen is going to be, and some of the appliances were already delivered. So you have washing units here, and then huge refrigerators, commercial oven imported from Italy, convection oven as well. Here's another one of your laundry machines. Direct access outside, extra storage here. So let your mind wander here, because if you're a designer or an architect or builder, or have just been thinking, hey, you know what, I love to have my own place, but I don't want to get into the building of the property. I just want to finish it out to my own liking. Well, this is something that you might really enjoy, actually. Built extraordinarily solid on Crown Sea, government land, so very low land lease payments each year. And the location's really great. You're probably about 20 minutes from the international airport in Nadi on the main island of VT Levu here in Fiji. Double sinks, so what you saw downstairs, again, nice double sinks. Huge open shower area, again, not even finished out. So if you have a vision of different tiles, mirrors, lighting fixtures, something that you can put together yourself. And they made this, planning to do a big walk-in closet there. And this is the master suite, and shutters are there. That's going to be that open sea view. And I'm actually going to hop out here because you also have this outside patio that wraps around, and you have almost 360-degree views here. And I'm going to take you around. So this is the back side of the property. Extra water storage in the pump there. Really quality workmanship. Some CCTV cameras there for added safety. Fully fenced all the way around. You can probably hear that nice breeze in the camera and the phone right now, but look at these really nice tropical views all the way around the property. Solid construction. Here's the window and that master suite just looking straight out, and boom, there's your water view right from your bedroom, just there. So heaps of potential. All of this extra land here, 3/4 of an acre. There's that security booth, so if you want to actually have a manned guard gate there, there's a little toilet in there as well, some extra storage area, generator room. You have a 20-foot container here that also has a lot of items. So and you have this studio that can generate income straight away, and then you have 2 more studios here that can also do short-term or long-term rentals. So if you're looking for income property, you're looking for customization, Fiji Surf is just right over here as well. And just where those palm trees are, down that way, the DoubleTree by Hilton resort, really cool resort. If you haven't been there, you want to check that out. And we're looking this way, that's back out towards Nandi and Nandi Bay, Denarau, Wailoaloa, and then out towards Lautoka. And then if we head down that way, we're going back out to the capital city of Suva here on the main island. So hope you got all that. Press reset, play this again, and bring your family members out, because this could be something really special for you guys. So as we say here in Fiji, Vinaka Vakalevu, thank you so much. Mode, which is goodbye. Sotatale, see you soon. And Senganalenga, no worry, no hurry, because we're on Fiji time. All right, we'll see you here very, very soon. Have an amazing day. Vinaka.